You can use data validation to restrict the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. One of the most common data validation uses is to create a drop-down list. Suppose we don't want the users to enter a wrong department. So you click over the mouse here and go to data, and under data tools we have data validation. And choose data validation. Now a window will appear and it allows you to ask what kind of entry is allowed. So we will choose list, and under source, click on source. I have here a prepared list for the valid department, executive, IT, finance, and the like. And then you click OK. Now what happens is users will be limited to the entries from the list. And to choose, say for example, sales, a different summary will be given to you. If I change public relations, so there's another result. So that is one way of entering or validating users from entering wrong data. Now we can also, supposing there is already an entry in your column and you wanted to validate what are these entries that are entered wrongly. So you can just highlight this list, shift control arrow down, and then press shift arrow down, say that would cover until say 30. And we can choose data validation again, and we wanted to click data validation and let it be a list again. You can actually type the list like and separate it with a comma, but let us do the choosing of the list from the prepared list here. So highlight the source and you click OK. Now, I purposely created some errors like this marketing where it is shortcut to MKTG and accounting for the shortcut for accounting. And I wanted to show you, say supposing you are to clean the data and verify what are these wrong entries. You just have to click on data validation and you circle invalid data. And we have here marketing and accounting are invalid. So with that, you can now choose the drop-down list and choose the correct entry. So marketing, and this is accounting. And you can now clear the circles. And we can now proceed to entering other entries for another row. Say for example, I wanted to enter again accounting. There will be an error message like the values doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined in this cell. So you click on cancel and or you can retry and enter again counting. Okay, so try that out.